Hey, what's up, guys? Just finished up at Meat Pablo's and about to go and pop them rods. Get it popping. The food was great. Meat Pablo's is banging. I'm full. If I wasn't doing fishing today, I would probably just go straight somewhere and just lay down and go to sleep. But I got some serious leftovers from Meat Pablo's. I'm gonna snack on that while I'm editing the video afterwards, because they loaded me down on some Meat Pablo's, man. I'm telling you, they packed me out. I'm all filled up. I'm ready to go and pop them rods. Oh, check this out. This is how much food I got left from Meat Pablo's. Check that out. I mean, that's like a second dinner. That's how much I Meat Pablo's today. Oh, almost spilled my food. So, headed to this nice spot. I will see you guys there. Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to Tactical Fishing. I'm your boy, the Nature Boy here. Thank you guys for joining me today. Beautiful day. It's still spring, and I know this water just warming up. And I'm going to use some slow baits because I know these fish are just probably just kind of, waking up out of the long haul of winter. And I'm going to be throwing the Googan bait lunker log, Texas rig style. There it is with a bullet weight, open out hook, size 2 Googan bait. I like messing with the Googan baits. I like their baits. I mean, I followed them for a long time, especially John B. He is cool. Where's my Googan baits? I got one left. Googan baits, 6-inch lunker logs, perfect plastic. Check them out. GooganBaits.com. And I'm using another Googan bait. It's something I've been wanting to get for a long time. It's Googan bait, trench hog, pure passion. Perfect for this time of the year where these bass starting to wake up and start to get mobile. But I haven't used this style of lure in probably like 7 months. I'm talking about the Tokyo rig. It looks like a drop shot, short drop shot, but it's That's a link chain at the top of that. You see a link chain, drop shot weight, and also a open knot hook, followed by the good old trench hog. And that's how the setup would look. I mean, you can basically just copy that. You know, simpler way of a Tokyo rig. So I'll be testing Tokyo rig out today and see what it do. So let's get down to business and get to bass fishing. Hey guys, welcome to Griffith Lake. Beautiful, beautiful place, beautiful background. This is a wonderful place to come and fish. Huge bass here, really big bass. We're gonna start off with the good old Tokyo rig. Very simple lure to use. I'm going to show you how to do that and break it down. It's not a hard bait to use, very simple. It's similar to a Texas rig style worm, but with the extra weight, and you have nothing really stopping it from getting through that thick brush and stuff. It's great for punching through, not really thick grass, but semi-thick grass. You know, you're fishing the grassy area. But this place, I mean, on this side, it's just a lot of leaves and branches and stuff. Going back toward the back is more of the heavier, thicker grass. That's where the bass are. You know, there might be some bass that are up close trying to feed, so we're gonna check it out and see what it do. So I'm gonna do is walk you through how to use a Tokyo rig. First, I'm gonna kind of throw semi-deep, kind of a little bit off to the shore. Tokyo rig, simple, let it drip and it sink to the bottom. Kind of check your bait as you're trying to feel your way at the bottom. Kind of feel your way at the bottom. And what you do is I give it every like worm or crawl or anything like that. I give it, you know, just a little bit of pops. With Tokyo rig, it's easier because the bullet weight is right there at the bottom, all the weight. So it's easier to keep that bait at the bottom. I'm in some leaves right now, so kind of bounce a little bit. Then you take your pops. I go through that like 3 times. Then you begin your heavy popping, but it's really light. So 2, because it's a strong current, I'm just doing 2 pops, let it kind of die down. I give it 1 pop, kind of die down. 2 pops. Drift it all the way back. Note, it's a great swim bait as well. So get this shots, and we're just gonna work our way all the way down to the bottom. All right, guys, finished up the day and finished off me Pablo's. It was good the second time around. Sitting at QT, about nap time, cause I'm like done for the day. About to hit the bed. The day went great. You know, fishing was good. Fishing is always good. You know, as a bass fisherman, your fishing day is always good no matter what. Most people think we're crazy, we're psycho, because we can go 3-4 days without catching anything and say the day is great. But I got 2 hits on the Guggen bait lunker log, weightless. I just basically took the weight off and used the just the hook. I used that, and I was smashing them weightless. You know, everything just turned around. That's what happens, man. You try everything, you try different stuff, but it just comes down to the worm. Weightless worm, lunker log, just threw it out there close to the bank. Got 2 good hits. And so I know what they want. They want the lunker log, especially around this time this season, man. It's springtime. You know, bass not doing that much. So lunker log is a good way to go when everything else isn't working. So until next time, I'll see you guys back here at Tactical Fishing. And remember, keep it popping.
Don't wake me, I'm not dreaming.